Sure. First, let me say thank you for inviting the Army to the panel. We really enjoy being here and you know, talking about the good things that are going on in the Army. We have similar activities going on that the other panelists had mentioned, but I want to talk about a couple of things specifically that we have done, I believe, to kind of drive us to that cloud environment. And from a contract perspective, we've done a couple of things. One is we've released the Army on-premise private cloud contract at Redstone Arsenal. So that was an effort that we started about a year or so ago, and that's going to be the first instantiation of an on-prem private cloud service, you know, within the Army environment.
Very cool.
And so we're going to leverage that in lessons learned in terms of how do we influence how the Army goes to the cloud in the future. So that's going to be used. We're going to take lessons learned from that. We're going to basically replicate that 3 other times at some other enduring data centers. And we also released an RFP that closed on 7 October for the Army Cloud Computing Enterprise Transition Contract, or the Accent contract. And so we're trying to shape that contract in being one of the basic ordering agreements contracts for the Army, so that mission owners can come and use that to provision cloud services. So those are the things that we're doing on the contract side. But the goal for the Army right now is really to begin to develop velocity for application migration, right?
Right.
Because we in the Army are participating, obviously, in the DoD's Army Data Center Consolidation Program, so we got to close data centers. And we know that there are applications out there that have to have a place to go. So as we begin to do that, we got to create this runway so that these applications have a place to go. And this is all part of that effort. Security is absolutely one of the chief concerns.